The Mauryan art drew its inspiration from both the inner and outer aspects of life. Yes, from the spiritualism and the some outside of functionalism. And then in this period, what are there? Stupas, Biharas, palaces, pillars, and rock-cut caves. These are there. And the Mauryas. During the Mauryas, and if you see the Mauryas itself, last में कौन आया था? Megasthenes, and who has written the book. And this is then I said that we are able to get some kind of understanding about that time. What is some architecture, and I said that Megasthenes left behind an eloquent description on the royal palace at Paliputra. Who is Paliputra? Patliputra. Paliputra means Patliputra. And nearby Patna, there is one place is there, Kumarhar. What is there? And at the time when the architecture, when the time Kumarhar is nearby Patna, the famous I said that this is Kumarhar. This is I said that. This is Kumarhar. And I said that in this region several pillars are there, and every pillar hall it is considered as, and but it was made up of perhaps it is of wood and all, which has been possibly burned. Because of if it is made up of some kind of what I said, the stone that cannot be possible to burn and all, so Kumarhar revealed a large pillared hall, and the material was used which was probably damaged by fire. And just nearby this, and it is one of the what I said that important architectural during the Mauryan in the form of pillared hall. What is known as pillared hall? Yes, it is known as hypostyle. It is known as I said that hypostyle, and one you will see later on I said that peristyle. Which are the two styles I am talking about? Hypostyle and if you will go and see in the Italy, आप लोग देखोगे बहुत बड़े pillars बने रहते थे. Yes or no? And then in the pillars, चारों तरफ से pillar है, and in the center there is some place where the lights are coming and all. Understood? It is known as hypostyle. It is known as I said that. And where there is a pillar is only there and surrounded by the pillars only, it is known as peripheral, peristyle. It is known as I said that. So there is a lots of what is in a pillars are there utilized, and then which kind of what is an architecture it is known as what? Pillared hall it is known as hypostyle. Understood? Next one I said that who used more number of pillars in India? Yes, Ashoka. Yes, and Ashoka has given, yes, tell me the pillars. The pillars किस चीज का बना हुआ रहता है? Pillars are made up of, who is in the world who brought the pillars first? Who brought the pillar architecture first? Persians. Who? And that is known as an Achaemenian. I said that Achaemenian. That time it is known as our Achaemenidian. It is also known as, and they first. But there is this pillar is a flute. Khali pillar hota tha. But our during the Mauryas or Ashoka, we have used monolith. Which we have used? One single stone made, and this monolith, if I am talking about, it is like a shaft. Okay? This is in a complete shaft, and its height can be, I said that, and there is I said that one lotus, inverted lotus is formed, and this is known as I said that inverted lotus, or sometimes मंदिर की घंटा होता है bell. I said that inverted or bell, and thereafter one stone is there. It is known as abacus. Okay. And abacus के above there will be must be some animals. Okay. And they are using, which are the animals? I said that they are using lions, bulls and elephant. Which are the elements that you are seeing in the top, in the pillars? Just tell me lions, bulls and elephants. Understood? So on pillars. Yes, tell me. Pillars में आपने क्या क्या देखा? I said that this is I said shaft, thereafter inverted lotus or bell, And then I said that there is an abacus, and above abacus there is an, I said that one animal, there will be figure. Understood it? And I said that on this pillar several things has been also written about the Buddha's life, sometimes Dhamma, sometimes some kind of some pillars, but abhi aaj ke date mein exist nahi karta, it is in a Jatakas, and Jatakas means sometimes, again I said the Jatakas are written in the stupas, and it is nearby, I said Toranas. I said sometimes some of the pillar which has been talked about, you can also find some what is in a Jataka. Jataka means what? Earlier story of the earlier life of Buddhas. Maybe animal, maybe birds, maybe insects, and whatever it is an earlier life of Buddha. It is considered as a Jataka stories. It is clear. And then let us see. So pillars के बारे में हमने क्या देखा? It is an outstanding example of Mauryana Ashokan pillars. And what is the height? Just tell me. 40 to 50 feet. And what is the weight? Around 50 ton. पहले से बता रहा हूँ. I said that what is the height? 40 to 50 feet. And then they were erected all over the empire with the inscriptions inscribed on them, and mostly their heights vary between 40 to 50, and each weighs nearly 50 tons. And they vary in the weight little bit here and there height, but they are monolithic and have no joints. Understood? And then Achaemenian or Achaemenid empire had none the use of pillars for the first than the Mauryas. However, the Mauryan pillars are different from the Achaemenian pillars, and it means they were Achaemenians were fluted, and then we are what it is monolithic. Understood it? They are using what is a different kind of stones using for making a pillars, but we are using pillars of what? One stone, monolithic, made after cutting it, and the topmost portion carries the figure of a crowning animal. So which are the four parts of the pillars? Yes, shaft, inverted bells or lotus, then abacus, and above we have animals. Okay? We can be able to see, first let us see where the pillars are there in India, where we can have pillars. If you see that Champaran Satyagraha, कहाँ हुआ? बिहार, जहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है Western Champaran, there are the two Champaran, West Champaran and East Champaran, and that I am talking about near East Champaran. There is a Lauria Areras. Which one I said that? Lauria Areras, and then I said that Lauria Nandangarh. Which one I said that? Lauria Nandangarh. Which one I said that? Lauria Areras, Lauria Nandangarh. It is clear. Understood? In which region? Champaran. And thereafter we'll go West Champaran, and there is I said Rampurva. I said that. Which one I said? Rampurva. And then just imagine Ram is sitting on a bull. Ram is sitting on a, can you imagine in your mind? And what is the top of this Rampurva pillars? Just tell me. Which crowning animal is there? Bull. I said that. So Rampurva, top is, I said that Ram is sitting on a bull. Just imagine. Can you make a picture? Ram is sitting on a bull. So the Rampurva pillar is crowning with bull. And thereafter I am talking about the famous Lumbini. Which one I said that? Shakya dynasty. Kshatriya ruler of Nepal side. Buddhas. So I said that, हमने क्या क्या बोला? Where the four pillars we have seen? Lauria, Areras, Lauria, Nandangarh. Understood? And thereafter we have seen Rampurva. And Rampurva is bull. And then we have seen Lumbini. And then next we are going to see Meerut. Where did I say that? Meerut. Killer. And then I said Delhi Topra. I said that Delhi Topra. And we have brought from itself, हम लोग ये जो Delhi Topra we have brought, the Delhi Sultanate period, during that it has been. And then I said that thereafter some it is coming, then the Ambala. We brought it from the Delhi में आज जो pillar है, we brought from what is Ambala and Meerut. I said we brought in Delhi I said that Delhi in Topra region, there is a pillar and we have brought from Ambala. Yes, tell me, Haryana in Ambala. Ambala in the Haryana, and thereafter I said another Meerut. Understood? And then nearby this, Agra ke paas, I said that Sankisa. Which one I said that? Sankisa. And it is famous for elephant. It is famous for? तो जस्ट सोचो कि सब लोग संग किस कर रहे हैं किसके साथ? एलिफेंट के साथ. किसके साथ? वो आपको अच्छे से किस करेगा. So I said that Sankisa, elephant, and then Dholi in Odisha. Dholi in Odisha, it is also famous for elephants. So which are the pillars famous for? Yes, tell me. Elephants. Sankisa and Dholi in the, I said that, in Odisha. Understood it? And then one famous Dharm Chakra Pravartan region, I said Sarnath. Jahan pe Dharm Chakra Pravartan, first time he has given the sermon, and then Mr. Buddha, that is Sarnath. And in this region, at the top there is 4 lines. How many lines are there? Just tell me. And then all are back to back. Below there is an abacus, and abacus has lion, horse. Then I said that elephant and bull. And in between there is a wheels. And how many spokes in the wheel? 24. How many spokes? So there is some animal in the abacus. I said that in the abacus there is some animal is there, and there is after that there is what? 24 spokes. That is representing Dharma Chakra Pravartan. The first sermon given at Sarnath. So, and thereafter I said the lotus, and then below there is a lotus as an inverted lotus, and then this is. So, we have seen which are the reason famous for pillars. Yaad ho gaya? First Lauria, Areras, Lauria and Nandangarh, and then we talked about Rampurva, and Rampurva mein which is the line, which is the capital of it? Bull. And thereafter we have seen Lumbini, then Meerut, then Delhi Topra, and then Sankisa, elephant, Dholi, elephant, and then we have seen, yes, Sarnath. And here it is clear. So we have been able to see, like I said, that Lauria Are Rajnandangan crowned with a single line, crowned with the single line, yes. और जो राज करता है, यस, सभी जगह वो सिंगल लॉइन होता है. अरे राज एंड लौरिया नंदनगढ़ सिंगल लॉइन, एंड देन Rampurva pillar is crowned by a bull, and Sankisa pillar is crowned by a standing elephant, and the lion capital of Sarnath is kind of the most significant. Because the 4 lion figure face the 4 cardinal direction, and abacus is carved with the figures of horse, a bull, and lion and elephant, and then placed between the 4 wheels. And each of these wheels have 24 spokes, and it is also our national, and it is symbolized by Dhamma Chakra Pravartan. First sermon given by Buddha. And what are the components of the pillars? Yes, tell me. From the below if you go, it is long shaft, then inverted lotus, then abacus, and then crowning animals. And which are important? Lauria Areras, Lauria Nandangarh, Purva, Lumbini, Meerut, Delhi Topra, and Sankisa, and then Sarnath and Dholi. Understood it? So we have seen pillars. Yes. Now we are going to see caves. हमने क्या देखा? Caves. And palaces के रूप में हमने क्या देखा? Palaces kind of it. Kumharhar, nearby Patna. And how many pillars they have? 80 pillars, and completely ruined over there. Yes or no? So I said that caves near Bodh Gaya, and I am talking about cave near Bodh Gaya, and there is an बराबर. मराठी क्या बोलते हैं? सब कुछ बराबर बराबर है. Means if it is okay, they will say बराबर. कितने हाँ बराबर बोल देंगे, but बराबर will if will speak. Foreigners आएंगे तो how do they will speak Hindi? तुम क्या करता है? So we will say बराबर बराबर. They will say बराबर. क्या? So I said that हमने क्या देखा? Nag and Arjun. दोनों क्या है? बराबर है. They are what? And बराबर means equal. बराबर means yes, नाग and Arjun. And Arjun नहीं होता तो महाभारत नहीं होता. So and नाग नहीं होता तो so many things नहीं होते. लोग मरते नहीं. So I say that Nag and Arjun are what? Barabar. So which are the cave in both caves? Yes. Which are the two caves? Barabar caves. And then, and you just tell me which are the good person in the world who has an what is an thinking for the other's pain. And one you know that Lama. One you know that who is there? Lama. Another is I said that Sudama. Who is Sudama? Have you heard about Sudama? Yes, Krishna का द गुड फ्रेंड. मतलब अपनी रोटी भी नहीं खाते थे, बोलते थे. कभी एक बार तो उन्होंने चुरा लिया था कृष्ण की रोटी के साथ कि नहीं मैं खा लूं, झूठ बोला. आई सेड दैट, लेकिन ही वाज एन अ वेरी गुड पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट द अदर. Sudama. And another I said that Karan. Who is there? He is also thinking for the other pain. These are barabar person. These are that. These are what? So nearby Bodh Gaya there is an which hills is there? Barabar hills. And in this cave is Lama cave, Sudama cave, and Karan cave. Which are the caves? Sab barabar hai. Yes or not? These persons are very important. Lama, yes, Lama, Sudama, Karan. Lama, Sudama, and the Loma. I said that Loma Rishi, Sudama, and Karan Chopper. And ये सारे विश्व में अच्छे पर्सन हैं. विश्व झोपड़ी. So which are the famous four caves? Yes, tell me. Loma Rishi,